Today we are talking about the one thing, the backbone of the strategy that I've used to make 13.8 million sales for myself and clients and grow 6 million in followers, and I call it selling the opportunity. A lot of people sell products, a lot of people sell features, a lot of people sell bullshit. We sell the opportunity, and then we sell them the product after they're sold on the opportunity. I'm going to show you what that means, because you're probably listening to this and you're like, Nick, what are you talking about? By the way, my name is Nick. If you're new here, this is Launch Socials. I am the owner of Launch Socials. I make these videos to help you make more money on social media without being cringe or crooked. I know I'm talking very fast right now. I'm completely sober. I don't take drugs. I don't take Adderall. Nothing like that. I'm just amped up, okay? So look, first thing, when someone comes to you and they see your marketing, they see your content. By the way, this works for anything. Personal brands, theme pages, etc., all of that. And I'm going to go over this first kind of like piece of what the opportunity is, and then we'll talk about how to sell it. So the first thing is they come to you, and they got a problem, and they've got a dream outcome. I'm actually going to draw this on the bottom for the sake of my OCD. So they have a problem. They have a dream outcome. And they're going to say, oh, well, my problem is I don't have any money. And my dream outcome is I want more money. But there's a problem behind that problem, and there's a dream outcome behind that dream outcome, and it's our job and our content and our sales calls to peel those layers back. So in our content, we want to peel that back. We want to start to address the problem. Well, you want to make more money, but the reason you probably want to make more money is because your family doesn't have enough money. You want to provide for them. Or you're in college right now, and you just feel like you can't keep up with the people that are getting money from their parents. You want to be able to make your own so you can go attend the same parties. There's a pain behind it. I don't know what the pain is for you specifically or for what your audience is, but you need to find it. So there's a pain behind that. It's like, well, I want to make more money because I don't have any, and it's really painful because I don't have a car. Well, I don't have a car, and that means I can't go hang out with my friends that live the city over. And since I can't hang out with my friends that live the city over, I'm not in the cool group, which means I lack status. And everything always comes back to status. And so the real problem is a status problem. And we've just addressed that by talking about it in our content. We move them over. And the same thing on the desire side. Well, the desire is I want more money. Well, why do you want more money? I want more money so I can buy my favorite video game. Okay, well, okay, cool, fine. Buy your favorite video game. Why do you want to play your video game so bad? Well, my friends are on the video game. Okay, got it. And then your desire as well is what? Well, my friends are on the game and I feel left out and I haven't really talked to them in a long time because they're all doing this and I'm out of the friend group. Boom. The desire oftentimes mirrors the problem. So if the problem is a status problem, the desire is to have that status. And so really, we came in and we started with, oh, I want to make more money because I don't have any, to I don't have any status and I feel left out and I want more status. That's just an example. That's random, okay? I could pick anything. You know, it could be like my house got flooded and it got flooded because I didn't have the money to fix the holes or something and yada yada. And then my desire is to get my family to move to a new house. We don't have to deal with flood damage and mold and blah, blah, blah. But I don't have enough money to do that. Right? It can go any different way. It depends on the prospect, depends on the avatar. I'll give you a couple lessons, right? A couple examples. Now, here is our job as marketers. Our job as marketers is to sell the opportunity. And the opportunity is the bridge from the problem. Well, that was terrible. From the problem to the desire. The opportunity is the bridge. And so it's like, oh, I'm selling people on the e-com business model. Okay, well, if you got this problem and you have this desire, e-com is the best way. It's the best opportunity to get into now because you're going to make the most money and it's the easiest and yada, 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 whatever. That's why you see people pitching these business models like that. That's fundamentally what they're doing. And the same goes for, I don't know, let's say you own a laundromat. People have a problem. They don't have clean shirts. Their desire is to have clean shirts. Your opportunity is that people can come in and they can clean their shirts there. The product is what kind of detergent do you have there? Do you have super sophisticated machines? Do you have some kind of secret benefits that are only available at your shop compared to everybody else's? That's the offer. That's the product. And that comes after. And so the first side is to sell the opportunity. And actually what we do on top of this, after someone sells the opportunity, we rebridge them and we sell them the product. So in our content, this is how it works. In our content at the top, okay, our content gets random people Okay, that's content there, CO content. Gets random people to become followers, and these followers, after seeing your content a bunch, turn into fans. But during this time, they also get sold on this opportunity because you have a bunch of stuff all about it. You then get these people to turn into leads and buyers, leads being someone that gives you their phone, their email, something like that, when you talk about the product that is the bridge on top of the opportunity. And so all you do is you sell the opportunity here, whatever it is you're selling. So it's like, oh yeah, high-ticket e-com. Or for us, it's like personal brand is the way to go. With a personal brand, if you're not making any money right now and you have skills, passion, expertise, you can be making a ton of money because it is the best business model that you can tap into for basically anything, okay? That's one of our pitches. That's us selling the opportunity. Now, our product is the thing that helps you get there without being cringe or crooked or fake. It's one-on-one. We do our consulting. We step in. We really give you a lot of time and attention for a year straight, and we know you're going to get there. We have the goal of getting to $20K a month. That's the product. Before that was the opportunity. So all the content is selling the opportunity. It's selling the thing that, like, it's the e-com, it's the theme pages, it's the drop shipping, it's the high ticket sales, it's all these opportunities that are out there. Same goes for physical products, okay? Like I mentioned, the laundromat. Then for the product, you are selling the product. So you sold them on the opportunity, you got them warmed up, you got them excited, they know you, they like you, they're really engaged with your stuff. You hit them with an ad. You hit them with a CTA. Yo, I have 20 spots for this and that and blah, blah, blah. I know you're probably really excited about it because you see me talk about it in my content. I have 20 spots open for a mentorship, or I have 20 spots open for this service, or we can take on 100 customers today at our laundromat, right? If it's a physical product location, and it works the exact same way. So make sure when you're selling your stuff and in your content versus sales, you're selling the opportunity, and then you're selling the product to the people that are already very sold on that opportunity. If you do this, you're going to absolutely crush it. And oftentimes the people I see that miss are the people that only sell the product, they only talk about knowledge that they have, and they don't sell the opportunity. They don't paint this big, grand, beautiful picture of what this opportunity is and can do for the viewer. If you start doing that, you're going to start crushing it. You'll probably grow more because it is more broad in general when you pitch an opportunity, okay, than a product. And you'll have people more excited because people will feel like they've gotten more value from you and they've discovered something new from you. And it'll be easier to get people into your product when you do this correctly. Now, look, I already kind of low-key, a little bit pitched you guys in this video on what we do, what the opportunity is, what our product is, all of that. If you want more help, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have a free playbook linked below in the description, the first line, okay? Just go grab that. It's a 73-page playbook that details exactly what we have done for our sales and clients. It's our entire system, 30.8 mil sales, 6 mil followers, grown with that system. And additionally, if you want a little bit more help, go below that in the description, and there are some links to work with me and the team. This video, if you really paid attention, should be paradigm shifting for you and should make you say, I get it now. That's my goal. That's what it should say. If you have questions about that, comment it below or shoot me a DM or Launch Socials Brand on IG a DM, and we can chat about it. Guys, I appreciate you being here. I will see you in the next video, and make sure to get your free playbook, first link in the description.